This is Sai Fernandra from SQL School, and I assure you complete practical classes step by step on this beautiful, colorful, job-oriented program, Power BI. The best demanding technology and most secure job profile, always in demand. This Power BI includes lot of components. It's a suite of business analytic tools to design reports and perform big data analytics with ease and colorful components and colorful tools. There are good amount of advantages for Power BI. It is cheaper, easier, user friendly and faster analysis. Beside that, it is cloud and big data environment activities. Colorful reports we can design using Power BI with lot of data modeling techniques. The trending job roles in Power BI includes data analysts, business analysts, and data engineers. Apart from this, we have BI developers, data scientists, even they can also make use of Power BI in their day-to-day job work. The end-to-end implementation of Power BI, the rightmost box. So Power BI can handle any type of data, any amount of data. The data source can be Excel, CSV, PDF, apps, or regular enterprise databases, or big data, data warehouses, cloud components, anything, everything, any kind of data, right from Facebook feeds to Google Analytics to your company's data center, any type of data can be analyzed in Power BI. And in my classes, I'll be showing you practically how to get hold of our data into end user hands for big data processing and easy analytics. The mind blowing Power BI training highlights. They include 20 plus scenarios in my classes, 50 plus examples on Power Query, 50 plus examples on DAX, 50 plus cloud action items, concept wise FAQs, real time project, resume guidance, and there are two certifications for Power BI as on date, PL 300, DP 600. My training classes will make you prepare for both certifications. I'll be guiding you step by step, practically getting the things understandable in a proper job oriented format for both certifications, PL 300 and DP 600. This Power BI training, I'll be practically involved in Power BI visualizations, big data analytics, data modeling, Power Query, DAX, cloud service, report server, RDL reports, and mobile reports. Additionally, will be involved in AI, artificial intelligence, CoPilot, semantic models, Azure components, Fabric, Microsoft Cloud, Fabric workspaces, real world scenarios, and end-to-end projects with lot of additional activities. Now, how to step into Power BI, MS SQL. Get hands-on with MS SQL first, then step into Power BI next. The MS SQL concepts, the prerequisites for Power BI on our screen, the 30-point checklist, 30 concepts. For best Power BI, zero compromise Power BI learning process to master Power BI, to get job ready for Power BI, we need to have knowledge on all these 30 MS SQL concepts practically. So we have three options or three training plans in our Power BI course. Plan A, core Power BI. If someone already aware of SQL concepts, they can directly go for Power BI. If someone wanted to revise, revisit SQL or learn from the scratch, learn from the basics, they can go for SQL plus Power BI. If someone wanted to go for a data analyst, DA job roles, data analyst job roles, go for plan C. Third plan, SQL, Power BI, and finally Python analytics. We are not into Python programming here. We are into Python analytics, the data extraction and data visualization form of Python. Not into programming, not into application development, but into something called analytics. So plan C will prepare you for PL 300 and DP 600 examinations. And I assure you practical training classes. Choose your next technology. Learn from the best trainer. I have work experience on this great technology. I am here to help you. I am here to guide you step by step practical with project oriented approach on this beautiful, awesome, lengthy Power BI technology. Come on, let's meet for a live demo session. Let's understand more about our course. Let's understand about our project work. What kind of project we are going to do? If your interviewer asks you, like, explain your project, what are the challenges you face in your project, we should have a straightforward eye contact answer with us ready, right? I am here to guide you for your Power BI course. See you there in the live demo class. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. Thank you.